You too can make analog horror videos. Here's how to open the gates of hell using CapCut. First, take a photograph or video footage of your favorite eerie, liminal, or haunted place and add it to the timeline. Let's make it look terrible now, like you're watching it on a TV in your great-grandma's basement. Okay, now slap the TV a few times and twist those antennas until the image bounces around. The low-quality, bad TV, 70s, glitch, and Betamax are some good effects to add that retro VHS feel. Now go to your favorite demon summoning software and call forth the legions of hell. I'm using Krita, and I'm new, so be kind. Don't forget the throat. Where else would the dentata go? And a good amount of shading on the upper lip. And to make the scene extra spoopy, add an adjustment layer and destroy all the detail work you just did. Perfect. Now export the image and mouth separately. Make sure the mouth is a PNG with transparency. Okay, now add our new baby to the scene. Just a few peeks of her at first. She is shy. As the veil lifts between worlds, her mouth is revealed. Play around with the animation on the mouth. Make sure it lunges with enough speed to make people pee a little bit. Rawr. Now you can grab some spooky ambient sounds to really creep everybody out. Make sure you build up a little tension. Throw in some VCR noise and maybe some rewinding for the glitchy bits. And of course, some screeching fit for a banshee chomper. Render that all out and boom, analog horror.